What are you gonna do?
Okay.
You gotta go over there and do it, Ellie.
Okay.
Which one are you gonna do?
Okay. I'll do the explode.
Okay.
Explode! Ignite! The Eagle team is dynamite! Explode!
Okay. Next one. Okay. That's a good one.
Claremont! Michigan! Back once again with a fight for the title we'll never get in. We are the Eagles and we came to soar, so we better step back and we dominate them more.
Want to show me one of your jumps?
Can I do... Okay. This is how I want to do a spin.
Okay. Good job. And do a jump.
Okay. Now watch one again, Mommy. Mommy, me.
No, you can't.